wonderful persons in my life who are always there to bear with my long hours of work and my obsession with perfection, and at times my tantrums too. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, these two wonderful people are my husband and my young and beautiful daughter, Akriti. Thank you, Akriti. To all these lovely people, all I want to say is thank you. Thank you for always being there. The hard work put in by all the participants will be apparent very shortly when they showcase before you a musical, The Winds of Change, directed by the very talented alumni of NSD, Mr. Nadeem Khan and his team, about whom the less I speak, the better it is. The multitasking of some of the children, like the head boy of the school, Dhruv Gambhir, and the cultural secretary, Madhurima Tandon, is indeed laudable. So let's keep the fire in their belly ignited always and forever. And without taking any further time, I bid you adieu and end with a quote. जिंदगी तस्वीर भी है और तकदीर भी, जिंदगी तस्वीर भी है और तकदीर भी, फर्क तो सिर्फ रंगों का है दोस्त, मन चाहे रंगों से बने तो ये तस्वीर है, अनजाने रंगों से बने तो ये तकदीर. Thank you and happy viewing.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words.
Today is a very special day for VMAX 14s as we celebrate our creative expressions through our annual production. This razzmatazz will be full of color, dance, music, fun and frolic.
Today, we are ready to regale you with our theatre production titled The Winds of Change. It is for the first time that we have put up a musical for you.
But before we embark on this new journey, we have another surprise lined up for you.
There is nothing we Max 14s can't do with confidence and with elan.
It's a proud privilege to present before you, for the first time ever, the Max Fort Rock Band. Rudyard Kipling had once remarked, East is East and the West is West, and the twain shall never meet.
But Keshav, that was because of his colonial mentality. Today, we live in a modern world of international integration. Music has become a potpourri of various cultures, genres, styles and languages. The Maxford Band has captured this very ethos. It is a fusion of Indian classical and Western music.
When the tabla will tango with the drums, the sitar will jazz with the guitar. When the rags will befriend the beats of rock and pop, the result will be nothing less than rocking.
Today's performance consists of 3 ragas. Rag Hansdhwani, Rag Bihag, and Rag Yaman. Followed by an instrumental Jugalbandi. And what comes after? Just put on your dancing shoes and be ready to rock on!
I felt very happy because somehow or the other, when in fact we don't get time to go to schools due to concerts and engagements all over the year. So I, in fact, readily agreed, and also, in fact, it was an opportunity to in fact, see the students and to meet you all. I was talking to Gurpreet ji, the director of Max Sports School, just now. And just now we were discussing the importance now we are in fact in schools giving to our culture is very less. ये अच्छी बात है, बुरी बात है, वो दूसरी बात है. तो हम लोग यही सोचते हैं कि ये जो आज के दौर पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं, being parents, the onus lies on us. Charity begins at home. For home, it is Max Sport School is a home also for the students, and your own homes are also, in fact, because the rest of the time the students are also with you. I was very pleased to see the presentation today just now, and मैं इसी बात की तारीफ कर रहा था कि आमतौर पे हम लोग सितार तो कहीं दिखाई नहीं देता स्कूल में. I myself, being a sitarist, I was greatly pleased to see sitar and students playing sitar. It's such a wonderful sight to see nowadays. In fact, I also have many, groups, fusion groups, having concerts all over the world. I'm not against any Western music or any Western instrument. But I always say that we should learn our own culture first, then in fact try to go towards the other side. अपनी कृष्टि को जाने, अपने कल्चर को जाने. And such a wonderful presentation, in fact, I think हमारे दिल को ये छू गया इसको देख के कि इतनी मेहनत गई है. And I would like to congratulate all the staff, the principal, the director, and especially the music staff for doing such a wonderful job today, and which is seldom seen, because normally what we mean by rock bands is totally headbanging rock with a distortion in guitar, and that's the norm when you say a rock band. So when madam requested me to please stay back because I had to go, I said okay, certainly I'll listen to the band. And I would have missed really something if I would have gone back without listening to it. Like I was just telling, school is a home for us. School is a home for the child for 12 years. तो यही उनकी सारी जो अंदर की जो व्यक्तित्व है यही बनता है उसका है. I was just now, day before yesterday in Guwahati and IIT performing, and also in some schools last 3 days. You'll see a big 100 feet AV running behind them. You'll see 50,000 watts of sound on both sides. You'll see 50,000 watts of lights. You'll see pyrogenics, laser, everything. Then they will start their performance. Just tell them to sit like we sit, give them a tabla or percussion. Tell Madonna to sit like this. यहाँ पे स्टेज पे बैठे और साथ में कोई परकशन दे दो और बोले गाए. आप उनको सुनेंगे? आप उनको नहीं सुनेंगे. This proves that our culture is so rich. हम एक दो चीज ऐसे धमाल कर सकते हैं एक दो चीजों से, हमें बाहरी सहारों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. जब अंदर से संगीत खोखला होता है ना, हमें बाहरी सहारों की जरूरत पड़ती है. अरे ये लाओ, ये करो, वो करो. So our music is so rich, our culture is so rich. So why don't we promote it ourselves here? कल को ऐसे समय नहीं आया भाई सितार सीखना है तो अमेरिका जाना पड़ेगा. हमारा कल्चर तो अमेरिका में चला गया. हमारे देश में हम लोग गिटार सीख रहे हैं. वहां के देश के लोग यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं सीखने के लिए हमारे कल्चर को. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग उनके पीछे भाग रहे हैं. This is the only music, classical music I'm talking. Because I saw elements of classical music today also. That's why I felt so happy. This is the only music which can create world peace. I just told Gurpreet ji here why. I am also teaching in Delhi University. And Delhi University, आप जानते हैं, is known for strikes. आप वहां पे पढ़े होंगे तो आप जानते होंगे 2 महीने कर्मचारियों का स्ट्राइक होता है, 2 महीने टीचर स्ट्राइक होता है, 2 महीने स्टूडेंट स्ट्राइक होता है, 6 महीने छुट्टियां होती है, ले दे के 2 महीने की पढ़ाई होती है. और एवरी ईयर द होल यूनिवर्सिटी इज क्लोज्ड. बट the faculty of music where I am teaching, it's inside the university, it has not gone on a strike even for a single day in 50 years. क्यों मैं बोल रहा हूं कि it is the strongest medium to create world peace? Because when we are performing on stage, you will see I am trying to understand my co-artist, my tabla player. My tabla player is trying to understand me. It's an unspoken language. निगाहों से बात हो रही है. तो अगर हर इंसान इस संगीत को सीखेगा, उसके अंदर यही भावना अंदर आ जाएगी. अगर सबके अंदर यही भावना आ जाए तो why will there be any wars or world wars? So I would request, please teach your children classical music. You will see एक नशा लग जाएगा, and when they learn this music, you will see it's like a drug. You see the Western music rock shows, they take drugs to perform. हमें लेने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. This music itself is a drug. They break their guitars after performance. तो हम लोग किसके पीछे भाग रहे हैं? Have you seen even a single column of music on our newspapers daily? We see 4 pages given to sports. हमारे कल्चर को हम ही लोग पीछे धकेल रहे हैं. Even if Dhoni is losing, आप धोनी का फोटो देख रहे हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हार रहे हैं, you'll see the photographs coming out. कुछ ना कुछ तो भरना है. Not even a single column on our music. So why do we blame our kids? उनको माहौल कहाँ है? Sir is here, Khan Sahab is here. I will request to, because he is in Doordarshan at the helm of the affairs, to promote our culture, our classical music much more and give more time, sir, to our music if you can. It'll be a great job, it'll be a great service for our nation. And to promote it in the prime time also if possible. And that's my request to you, sir. Because normally in our media also we channels what we see. Bollywood music, Western music. Is our Indian culture Bollywood music? Is our Indian culture fashion shows? बाहर से लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं, हमारे खाने को नहीं खाने आते कि इंडियन खाना खाना है, हमारे कल्चर को दिखने आते हैं. हमारे कल्चर हमारे देश में ही नहीं है, अमेरिका में चले जा रहा है या कहीं और जा रहा है. सो इट्स माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू. मैं भावना में 2-3 बातें बोल गया, मुझे अच्छा लगा इसलिए बोल गया मैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक इट सो मच. एंड प्लीज टीच योर चिल्ड्रन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक एंड यू विल सी दे विल हैव पेशेंस इनसाइड देम. दिस थिंग विल ग्रो इनसाइड देम एंड they will score well in the exams. I have also done BCom honors and everything. I have taught the university also. And I have done MA, MPhil, PhD also. So you will see these virtues will go inside. I would like to congratulate the school again for doing such a wonderful thing. And whatever help you need in terms of promoting our own culture, our own music, I will certainly do that. And if you need a concert from my side, we'll certainly do that one day also. Thank you very much.
Wasn't that a rocking performance, Anshul? The energy on the stage was infectious, and I can see that it has been transmitted to one and all.
It was indeed a superlative performance. You can count on Max Fortians to always deliver the best and carve a niche for themselves.
The session 2011-12 provided numerous opportunities to us Max Fortians to test and prove our caliber, talent, and creativity. The year was full of fun, achievements, and great memories. We now invite on stage Mrs. Jaya Bharti and Mrs. Kanika Malik to guide us through the annual report.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Kanika Malik,
And I am Jaya Bharti.
and we are here to update you about all the happenings throughout the year gone by.
Do you know, Kanika, what were Einstein's views on education? He once remarked, "Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school."
Yes, Jaya, how true are his words even today? After all, bookish knowledge is not education. The object of education is to prepare the young to educate themselves throughout their lives.